When we were students in school, there was one debate which used to happen. If science is boon or bane, actually it totally depends upon how do you use it. Today, when we are talking about automation, we'll be meeting Abhishek from Kiosk Automation, and he's explaining the different features of their automation. Majorly, there are various types of automation which happens and which are available in India. Some of them are directly getting imported from China, and the technology we are installing in our homes. But the problem with that is the long-term effect. You won't be getting the same fixture in maybe next 5 years. There might be a problem with the maintenance. But this company, they are manufacturing their own system, right from the switchboard with the circuit breakers or the finishes, which are very neat and very trending. So Abhishek is going to talk about everything which is available in their automation, right from sprinkler to opening the curtain or maybe managing the mood lighting or security. And with that, we also have some light fixtures with them, and he'll be talking about all those. Let's look at that.
Now, I'll go step-wise explanation. जैसे कि what is automated schedule? So basically what happens? Suppose मैं अगर सुबह जल्दी उठ रहा हूँ, मेरे को 6:30 को मेरे को ये चाहिए कि भाई ये पर्दा मेरा 30% खुले, बेसिकली मेन खुल जाए, शेयर वैसे ही रहे, एंड मेरे घर के स्पीकर्स में एक पर्टिकुलर सेट ऑफ भगवान के गाने बजे, ठीक है। और मैं क्या है, यूजुअली जहाँ पे लैंडस्केपिंग रहता है उनको सुबह सुबह पानी डालना रहता है, दे ऑलवेज हैव द ड्रिप इरिगेशन सिस्टम, राइट। तो ड्रिप इरिगेशन सिस्टम ऑटोमेटिकली ऑटोमेट होकर ऑपरेट हो 6:30 से 6:45 तक, so it will take that 15 minutes of time. That is something called as automated schedules. So I'll just tell you on this. जो पीछे वाला आपने देखा ना, the Roman blinds, जहाँ पे वो फ्लैप होता है, मोस्ट ऑफ द कर्टन कंपनीज क्या करते हैं, वो मूवमेंट ये कवर करते हैं, क्लोज करते हैं। यहाँ पे हमारे पास ये मूवमेंट भी है, एंड इवन फ्लैप का इंटेंसिटी आप कंट्रोल कर सकते हो। मतलब दैट इज द लेवल ऑफ डिटेलमेंट दैट वी गो इनटू व्हेन इट कम्स टू द कंट्रोल ऑफ ऑटोमेशन ऑफ कर्टन्स।
Okay. So even can you control this speed?
सॉरी,
कर्टन्स का स्पीड?
यस, कर्टन का स्पीड कंट्रोल होता है, कितने इंटेंसिटी में खुलना है। बट यूजुअली क्या बोला जाता है, स्पीड हम स्टैग्नेंट रखते हैं बिकॉज मोटर का लाइफ बढ़ाना चाहिए। So we have kept at certain level of speed, so that will run on that particular speed. And also motors and tracks is also being provided by us. You don't need to go for any third party. Only bring the fabric and you just put it on. This is a deep lighting automation. So this is a concept that we have actually come off. Ki if there is a living room space, right? You have a dining table kept there, right? You have one sculpture, like you have this painting, right? If you want to only highlight this painting, so what we are referring this term is called as creating spaces within spaces. मतलब ये एक space के अंदर हम 2-3 जगह पर अगर light को focus कर रहे हैं, then that is creating 3 different spaces for you. That is what the motion sensing, reactive intelligence. This particular thing has proximity. अब उसके पास जाओगे ऑटोमेटिक लाइट अप होता है. This is layered lighting experience. This is what I say. Now here there is an explanation how did Kias come into picture. Okay, so basically what were the challenges that we have from automation part, like as you said कि वो बहुत complex solution है, right? Second thing, it has also been बहुत लोग like they take it from console from China, they white label it and then they sell it here. Now what is the main problem that we have in India is we have a fluctuation of current. कभी करंट सडनली आ जाता है, रुक जाता है, उससे क्या होता है, कंसोल शॉर्ट हो जाता है. So you don't have any solution for it. You need to directly replace it. And considering it is coming from China, you don't have a replacement policy again. You need to again get it, and it will take a certain amount of time. उतने दिनों तक आपका घर बंद पड़ा है मतलब. Now what we did here is we in this consoles we have something called as SPD. That is nothing but surge protection device. मतलब वो current के surge को protect कर रहा है. It has in both the things.
Okay.
ठीक है. Now point number 2 इसमें ये हो रहा है कि जो आपको एकदम high end solutions है like Lutron and Crestron in that case जो European standards को follow करते हैं, they will never support Indian standards.
They have started.
No, they already have.
Okay.
So there are two companies, Lutron and Crestron. They are very high-end companies. Okay, they are only working on wired solutions. But the problem is they follow the European standards. They will never come up to Indian standards. So right now, how Kias has been developed.
So Indian standards की बात करें तो that is voltage
surge protection हो गया, then usage हो गया, then in terms of complexity issues हो गए, and installation. Now in our case in automation, there is something called as Zigbee solution. What is Zigbee solution? Initially we had radio frequencies कि radios पे चलता था. उसके बाद we came up to Bluetooth. We were connecting to Bluetooth. Then came the Wi-Fi. Now Wi-Fi के ऊपर का is something called as Zigbee that is specialized for automation.
Okay.
So what is Zigbee? This creates a mesh. एक कम्युनिकेशन जो है वो मैश पैटर्न में रहता है. ये पूरे रूम के लिए मान लो. What will do? एक हब दिया जाएगा. This hub will communicate entirely wirelessly. तो इसको बस पावर सप्लाई की जरूरत है. It needs no Wi-Fi at all. आपको मैं बहुत लोगों को लगता है कि यार वाईफाई रहेगा तभी चलता है. ना, तो वो नहीं है. You need only Wi-Fi when you are operating outside the house. मतलब आप बाहर हो, आपको वहीं से कहीं से ऑपरेट करना है. That is when you need Wi-Fi, but rest all the time you don't need Wi-Fi.
Okay.
It has its own communication system. And the best part of Zigbee is most of the time क्या होता है, इंडियन के कंडीशंस के हिसाब से अंदर के सर्किट शॉर्ट्स हो जाते हैं. This particular device or this particular technology comes with a self-healing technology. अगर वो हो भी रहा है तभी आपको समझेगा नहीं, because it will automatically reboot instead.
Okay.
And second thing, in terms of cost efficient, I'll tell this is cost efficient because आपका वायरिंग का कॉस्ट बच रहा है. Wherever you go for a wired automation, the latency rate के लिए लोगों को wired automation जाता है, because you have that very little bit of latency rate. The same is followed here.
Lights के लिए.
Yes, lights के लिए हो गया. And in this particular device has something called as active dimming, if you can see. The whole intensity of the light can be controlled.
And all your lights are also dimmable?
Yes, all the lights are dimmable.
Okay.
Yes, all the lights are dimmable, and there are certain drivers where you can also create a RGB effect. So you can have there something called for all the party mode and all. So all those things can be done here in this lightings. Okay. I'll just come across one more thing. So there is someone called as Johan Pearson. He is nothing but जो Sony Ericsson का पहले फोन आता था ना, he was the head of those designing. He came to Hyderabad. He visited almost 200 to 300 homes. He made कि यहाँ पे problem statement क्या है. Then he worked on the designing part of it, and then we came up with the solution. We are not doing any kind of touch panels and anything. This is a physical button that you can see. Most of the Indian mentality have कि जब तक वो दबेगा नहीं तब तक वो light चलेगा. Right? तो simple psychology में we have worked it upon.
What you just witnessed is the art of perfect harmony, where beautifully designed homes are enhanced by state-of-the-art automation and exquisite lighting. In every premium home today, there's a need for elevated ambience control, a need that only an exceptional automation and lighting system can fulfill. Before Kias, home automation was a world of myriad complexities. Systems that were complex to install, complicated to use, and not tailored for India. And we asked ourselves a rather bold question. What if a home automation was effortless to install, simple to use, and designed specifically for India? That moment marked our commitment to redefine the standard. And we decided to create the simplest, most beautiful and complete smart home automation system for India. And, as if by magic, our what if transformed into what is. Now, let's delve deeper into this remarkable evolution. What if a home automation system required no wiring at all?
This is what I was talking about. No wiring is needed. Whatever the wiring जो normal जो आप electric wire देते हो, for the power supply, that's only the thing that you need. You do not need to go for any extra wiring, especially for automation.
We developed the Kios OS.
So this is our own operating system.
Wireless mesh system
KSOS.
that eliminates the hassle of wiring. What if a home automation system didn't need a dedicated rack space? We invented the Kios Hub.
This is the hub that I told you will communicate with all the devices.
Gateway that needs no rack space. What if one system could manage all aspects of home automation? We designed the Kios Smart Ecosystem and integrated an
These are all our
all-encompassing
devices that can be
automation
integrated.
solution that delivers a unified smart home experience. What if managing your smart home was as effortless as using your favorite app? We designed the Kios Smart App, an app so intuitive and user-friendly that it stands as the easiest home automation app in the world. What if grandmas could configure and use a smart home system? We designed the Kios Smart Console, a switch system designed
For
for
every
every
age.
generation. What if the system was designed to never fail? That's exactly what we achieved with the Kios Smart Console, a robust, fail-safe technology tailored for India. Our switches don't just work flawlessly, they also blend beautifully. With a range of colours and finishes, the Kios design palette complements every home and every style. And to add that final touch of perfection, we went a step further and asked ourselves, what if we could standardise and simplify the installation experience?
So I just wanted to ask you guys, मतलब आपको क्या लगता है इंस्टॉलेशन के लिए कितना टाइम ले सकता है एक ऑटोमेशन को?
यूजली फॉर एग्जांपल कॉम्पिटिटिव ब्रांड जो हमने अब तक यूज किया उसका अगर बात करें तो मे बी 2 days फॉर अ 3 BHK काइंड
Yeah, तो we have usually done a 3 BHK and 4 BHK within half day. मतलब
Half
एक
day
दिन
को।
के अंदर हमने इंस्टॉल करके हम निकल भी गए हैं. That's the level of installation that it needs.
सो अगर हम बेस की बात करें तो फॉर एग्जांपल आई हैव माय अपार्टमेंट रेडी विद द बेसिक वायरिंग, द इलेक्ट्रिकल वायरिंग आई एम टॉकिंग अबाउट, जिसमें मुझे 2 वे जहाँ से बेड साइड से चाहिए, फैन है, रेगुलर स्विचेस ऑन ऑफ है, और उस स्टेज के बाद कैन वी इंटीग्रेट
We can integrate it, but उसमें क्या रहेगा, उसमें ज़्यादा कॉन्फ़िगरेशन के लिए स्कोप नहीं
Options
बचेगा. हम
हो जाएगा.
क्योंकि क्या होगा फिर आपको वो चीज़ों को वायरिंग वहाँ पर भी देना पड़ेगा, जैसे लाइटिंग को डालना है. बट इन केस अगर वायरिंग के स्टेज में, अगर कंड्यूटिंग स्टेज में है, तो हम क्या करते हैं, वी गिव द होल लूपिंग ड्राइंग्स.
Okay.
वी विल ट्रेन देम. सो यू हैव योर इलेक्ट्रिशियन, राइट? तो हमारे ऑपरेशंस टीम आते हैं, दे कम एट एवरी रेगुलर इंटरवल्स, दे विल कम, दे विल एक्सप्लेन देम, दे विल डू अ मॉक ऑफ वन रूम. इफ दे गिव अ सर्टिफिकेशन कि ठीक है एक रूम का ठीक है, देन दे विल टेल कि पूरे घर पे आप कर दो. तो वो एक हो गया. देन दिस इज समथिंग दैट हर स्टेप में यू हैव बीन वॉच्ड एंड इट हैज बीन ऑटोमेटिकली इंप्लीमेंटेड. तो जिस दिन तक वो आता है कि अभी हमारा इंस्टॉलेशन बचा है, विद इन अ डे वी इंस्टॉल एंड वी गो आउट ऑफ द हाउस.
ओके
दैट्स द थिंग.
ओके दैट्स नाइस.
Today, our innovative SOP-based installation practice has completely redefined the industry with a 24 to 48 hour turnaround
मतलब सोचो
time.
18,000 स्क्वायर फीट का घर हमने 2 दिन में इंस्टॉल कर दिया.
18,000.
Didn't stop there. We understood that the heart of home automation experience is lighting. And we discovered that
RDO,
European
the lighting.
lighting fixtures are priced exorbitantly in India, and therefore high-end technical lights, accessible and tailored for Indian homes, became our next mission. Thus, RDO by Kios was born. A premium range of high-end technical lights that redefines ambience. We also introduced a new
We got experience in Hyderabad.
to buy through our state-of-the-art showrooms.
वहाँ पे पूरा सेटअप है, इवन आउटडोर सेटअप है, वहाँ पे इंडोर सेटअप है, एवरीथिंग.
एंड बॉम्बे में यू आर सीइंग बॉम्बे में इंडोर का पूरा सेट
नहीं, वहाँ पर भी आउटडोर का हमने इंडोर में ही बनाया है, so it's a very nice experience. Adria Mall में बना है
Faced with
बर्ली
a
में.
reality where India wasn't known for groundbreaking product design or advanced electronics. But at Kias, we saw this not as obstacles, but as opportunities. We created a culture of rich innovation and design thinking, guided by award-winning industrial designers. And we built an engineering organisation from the ground up, dedicated to pioneering advanced electronic design in India. Today, over 1,500 homes in Hyderabad have chosen
Now this is
us as
turned
their
to 35-minute
smart
homes.
partner.
ये almost 1.5 साल पुराना है.
Most known brand in the home automation space. Revered by architects and interior designers, we've become a symbol of innovation, excellence, and mind-blowing service standards. And remember, this is just the beginning. Join us in this journey of transformation to experience the magic and logic of a Kia's home.
So that is how we have come up with this whole solution. So इसमें what are the things that you need to consider? Just tell you in terms of layman, the complexity जो चीज़ है that has been removed. This is very easy to operate. मतलब it is as good as कि आप देख के समझ जाओगे कि क्या क्या चीज़ें हैं.
सो ओवरऑल अगर हम देखें तो दिस विल गो
In the gang box, yes.
ओके एंड को बाकी कोई स्विच बोर्ड नहीं होगा पूरे घर में, मतलब उस पूरे रूम में.
हाँ, उस पूरे रूम में यही रहेगा.
सिर्फ
बाकी को आपको जो डालना है वो बस सॉकेट्स डालना है इन केस यू नीड इट. बेडरूम से यूजुअली बेड साइड टेबल्स के बगल में हम ये दे देते हैं.
सो मुझे नंबर ऑफ सॉकेट अगर फॉर एग्जांपल 4 चाहिए तो
आपको नंबर ऑफ सॉकेट नहीं ये सेम रहेगा. आपको अनदर सॉकेट्स हम दे देंगे, सेम फिनिश में मिल जाएगा. सो दैट वो सीमलेस फिनिश आपको पूरे घर में लगा रहेगा.
Okay.
सो दैट इज समथिंग दैट वी कैन गिव.
ओके.
वी हैव आल्सो गिवन द रिलेज हियर, जो नॉर्मल लाइट्स कंट्रोल करने के लिए जो चाहिए वो वहाँ पर भी दिए गए हैं.
Okay.
वी हैव गिवन इम्प्लीमेंटेड दैट एज वेल. अपार्ट फ्रॉम दैट पर्टिकुलर सॉकेट कैन बी स्केड्यूल्ड. यूजुअली क्या करते हैं, हमारी आदत कहती है कि रात में फोन चार्जिंग लगा और सो जाए, बट वो रात भर चलता रहता है. वहाँ पे बहुत सारे केसेस ऐसे भी है कि जहाँ पे फोन पूरा फट भी गया है. सो वो भी चीज़ें हुई है. तो हियर वी कैन schedule the socket time as well कि हम 1 घंटे तक मेरे को चार्ज चाहिए भाई, खत्म. So that is something that we have already been doing it.
एंड ओवरऑल अगर एक रूम की बात करें तो अप्रोक्सीमेट लाइक द मोस्ट लाइकेबल क्वेश्चन इज कितने.
तो मैं प्राइसिंग की अगर मैं बता
price
रहा हूँ ना, तो बेसिकली पूरे घर का, जैसे कि मैं वही बोल रहा हूँ, इट विल रेंज फ्रॉम 275 to 350 रुपीज पर स्क्वायर फीट. अगर मान लो 1500 का है तो आप उस हिसाब से लगा लो.
Okay.
और लाइटिंग का अगर करना है तो दैट विल कॉस्ट टू 350 to 400.
ओके.
ठीक है. तो पूरा घर भी अगर मोटा मोटी मैं मान के चलो 750 to 800 स्क्वायर फीट में आपको होम ऑटोमेशन एंड लाइटिंग
Lighting
दोनों मिल
complete हो
जाएगा.
जाएगा.
यस.